Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to dive into a pretty interesting problem that I recently came across. So, I've been dabbling in stateful metaprogramming, and let me tell you it's been quite the adventure. One of the things I noticed was a peculiar behavior when compiling code in GCC. The problem arises when we have a template function with a default template parameter for a Lambda function. When trying to compile the code in GCC, we encounter a static underscore assert failure that shouldn't be happening. However, the same code compiles perfectly fine in the latest versions of Clang and MSVC. It seems like GCC was having a bit of trouble with this specific scenario. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. Yes, you are correct in assuming that regardless of how compilers handle default Lambda template parameters, the static underscore assert should not fail. This issue was actually a bug in GCC, for which a bug report was filed, bug 116714. The good news is that it has been fixed for GCC 15. So if you try running the same code using GCC truck, you should see that the static underscore assert no longer fails. In summary, we delved into a problem involving stateful metaprogramming and GCC's handling of default Lambda template parameters. The issue led to a static underscore assert failure in GCC, but thankfully, it has been resolved for the upcoming GCC 15 release. I hope you found this exploration intriguing and informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, smash that like button, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time.